In this video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add labels in Microsoft Planner. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.microsoft right here or planner.cloud.microsoft, and from in there proceed to sign in. So you need to have an account with a paid subscription or be under an organization with a paid plan. So proceed to click on sign in and input right here your email as well as your password in order to sign in into your account. So here is my actual planner as you have seen right there. So in order to quickly add your labels, you just need to actually click on a particular plan. For example, we have in here this plan right here with no label yet. Click on this three dots. In here, click on this label. And after that, you can choose in here the label that you wish to use. So for example, let's add in here dark green. And then let's click onto this right here. Click on label and choose in here the label that you want. Now, if the label that you want is not there, what we can do is we can create it. To do that, open the particular task that you wish to actually add a label with. I have in here this. So for this case, click on this add label. And then for this case, let's input right here, for example, finance. If it's not available, you can find that right here as well. So for the label option, you can search for a particular label and edit one. For example, let's edit this light gray. Then for the label, let's name it finance. Then save that and you can click on it right here. Now you can head over and close this dialog, and after it's been closed, you can hover to a particular task that you want to announce or add that particular label as well, and you can find the new label right here. So as you can see, it's already been added. That's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.